In this chapter, we're going to look at statements and quantifiers. So it says decide whether each statement is compound. If so, identify the connective. So first of all, let's talk about what compound is. It means you have a sentence that has two different parts, okay? There are words that give you a clue to that. I've got them down at the bottom. The word and can represent that. The word or can put two compound parts together. And the words if then. So let's look at this. Lord Byron wrote sonnets, and the poem exhibits iambic pentameter. Now, we have the word and here, and this is two separate sentences that they put together. So this one would be compound. Let's look at the next one. On the next one, you can pay me now, or you can pay me later. That is two different sentences, or would be your connective. So this one is also compound. Part C. If he said it, then it must be true. Okay? We have the words if then. Those are connectives. This is a compound sentence. Now let's look at the last one. The last one says my pistol was made by Smith and Wesson. Sorry. The word and can be a compound sentence, but this is actually just in the name of a company, Smith and Wesson, okay? It is not combining two sentences. So this one is not a compound statement. Let's look at the next example. On this one it says, form the negation of. Okay, so we want to do the opposite. So the opposite of the city has a mayor would be part A. The city does not have a mayor. Let's do part B. The moon is not a planet. The opposite of that would be the moon is a planet. That would be the negation of both of those sentences. Another one. Give the negation of each inequality. Do not use the slash symbol. In other words, don't just say x is not less than 9 with a slash through it. So for part A, if x is less than 9 and we want the opposite, then x can be greater than or equal to, since it didn't cover that, greater than or equal to 9. If we have 7x plus 11y is greater than or equal to 77, well, we don't want it to be greater than, we don't want it to be equal to, it has to be less than. So we would say 7x plus 11y is less than 77.